Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and today we will solve the question of exercise 4b that is based on the laws of exponent. This is the question number 7 and we have done 2 parts in the previous video. Now there are 3 more parts which we have to solve. Before solving these questions, I will let you clear one thing regarding exponent. Now you see, this is minus 3 and its power is 4, and this is power 3 and its power is 5. Now see what is the answer of its expansion. We know when negative symbol is multiplied 4 times, then the answer is positive. So we know the answer will be positive, but for the explanation I will write and follow the exponent rule. So minus 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 minus, that is plus. 3 multiply 3 9, 9 multiply 3 27, and 27 multiply 3, that is 81. This is the answer. Now see here, minus 3 multiply minus 3 and minus 3. Here you will see the minus symbol is multiplying 5 times, therefore answer will be in negative terms. 3 into 3 9, 9 multiply 3 27, 27 multiply 3 81, 81 multiply 3, that is 243. Now student, I will change the symbol. It is minus 3. Now I will write only 3, that is plus 3, and the quotient and the exponent is same. And here I will also convert to plus 3. The exponent is same. Now what will be the answer? 3, 3, 3 and 3. If we multiply 3 4 times, then we get 81. Okay, or 81, it means plus 81 or normal 81. Clear? And here we will see 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and multiply 3. When we multiply 3 5 times, then we get answer 243. Now in this part there is no change in answer, but here we see the difference of the answer as their symbols. This is negative integer and this is positive integer. Now what is the reason behind this? If we look this carefully, then we can deduce a result that if the power is even, then in both these cases we are observing the same answer, whether the base is negative or it is positive. So we can deduce a result that minus 3 to power 4 is equal to 3 to power 4. Similarly, I can write minus 3 to power 6, 3 power 6. Similarly, minus 3 power 8, 3 power 8. So if the power is even, then we can interchange the sign of the base. Clear? Now, but in this case we observe that answer is not same, therefore we can say that minus 3 to the base 5 is not equal to 3 to the base 5. Why? Because the power is odd. So we can take the help of this result to interchange the sign of the base when the power is an even number. Thank you. Now, in these three parts, we will see that the base should be same. Base is minus 6, base is minus 6 and base is minus 6. Here, the base is minus 7 and other terms are in its valuable form. These are not in exponential form. And in the third part, you will see the base is minus 8 by 9, but it is 8 by 9. So, we will use the result that we have discussed. We will make the base same. How? Minus 8 by 9 power 15 divided minus 8 by 9 power x, and because it is even number, therefore I can place minus with 8 by 9 and write this. So firstly I will solve this question. Now this is division and the bases are same, therefore minus 8 by 9 15 minus x as the division rule of the exponent. Now as we see the bases are same, these and these are cancelled, therefore 15 minus x is equal to 2. Now we will solve. And here 15, this 2 will be written on this side, will change its symbol, and this minus x will go on the other hand, on the right hand side, and will change its symbol by transposing. Okay, so 15 minus 2, that is 13, is equal to x. We can write x is equal to 13. Now we will see this question. 49 we can write 49 as 7 multiply 7. Okay, so minus 7 power m, and 343, if we divide 343, then it is divisible by 7. When I divide this by 7, that I will get 49. 7 7 are 49 and this. So 7 is there 3 times, but this is a negative. So I will write minus with each 7 to justify my answer on the right hand side. Sorry, answer, but the term on the right hand side. So I can write this minus 7 to the power 3, minus 7 to the power m, and this is 7 to the power 2. Now as we know, minus 7, there should be minus 7. So I will change in the next step, but due to short space I will mark minus here. Clear? How I mark this? Because the power is even. Now bases are same, the multiplication is going on. Minus 7, 2 plus m is equal to 3. Now 2 plus m is equal to 3. Now this 2 will become minus 2 and m is equal to 1. This is my answer. Here bases are same, therefore we will add the powers. Plus 3 minus m is equal to minus 6 power 3. The bases are same, so we can skip that. 5 plus 3, that is 8, minus m is equal to 3. Now minus m will become plus m, and 8, this is plus 3, become minus 3. 8 minus 3, that is 5, is equal to m, implies m is equal to 5. So in this way we have find the value of unknown x in these type of exponential format using the laws of exponent. So student, these questions are very much important and you need a lot of practice of these type of question again and again. This is 8th video in the chapter exponent.